Commercial solar was a bit slower to take off than residential solar, but businesses are really just starting to recognise now the value of putting solar in, and it's a great return on investment. You're looking at anywhere from 3 to 5 years for a business in terms of that payback period for solar. So, we're not just looking at a payback period and then all of a sudden that revenue stream dries up. If we purchase a high quality system, then that revenue stream is going to be locked in for a 25-year period, which is great for a business owner. For commercial businesses, it may be even more important again because they're putting so many of these panels on a roof. So for a residential customer, they might only be putting 20 panels on a roof, but for a commercial site, there could be 300 to 400. So if you've got a fault or you're choosing a cheap panel, the exercise to go and remove all those panels and install new ones is vastly greater than it is at a domestic level. So quality is even more important on commercial sites for me than it is on residential sites because it's such a big investment for a business. That said, the investment itself is something that's really worthwhile doing. The savings for businesses can typically be much better because most of that power that a solar system generates on a business is being used during the daytime, and that's when everyone's at work. So the paybacks can be exceptional for businesses, and I've seen them even below 3 years, as low as 2.5 years, which is great.